how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So if you want to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application, then tap on the name, which will be on the top, then scroll down and then tap on sign in and security, or you may also have password option. You need to tap on password and you will have an option of change password. Tap on it, enter your iPhone password, and then choose a new password. After entering a new password, you need to retype your new password and then go with continue, which will be on the bottom. After changing, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go back, and then now you need to open up your Safari. And here you need to search for disabled Apple ID. And you need to scroll down and then go with if your Apple ID account is locked, not active, or disabled, which is under your support.apple.com. Tap on it. Scroll down a bit. And as you can see that it says you need to reset your password. We've already done that. You need to scroll down again and you will find an option of contact Apple support. Tap on it and just simply go with get started and report your problem to Apple. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and
Thanks for watching.